Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I will give you a special tips and tricks. Your iPhone can tell you it needs charge. When your iPhone charge below 40%, 30% or 25%, your iPhone can tell you it needs to charge.
Charge me.
For set these settings, you need a apps that's named Shortcut. You can find these apps on your App Store. Go to Shortcut and click on Auto Motion. Now tap on plus icon and tap on Create Personal Automation. Now swipe down and you see a option Battery Level. Click on it and falls below 50%. Click on falls below 50% and customize here 25% or 30%. Basically we charge our iPhone below 30%. So I set the settings equals 30%, rise above 30%, fall below 30%. Click on next and now click on add action and click on search speak text SPEAK space TEXT text. Click on speak text and type here your text. For example, I type here charge me. Or please charge me. Then click on done. Click on next. Okay. For test, click on ask before earning. Turn off it. Okay. Done. Now you listen this voice. Click on it and tap here.
Charge me.
Again.
Charge me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.